darling, I am not afraid to love you. I am not afraid. Hey guys, welcome back with another video of these guitar tutorials. Today we'll be covering I Am Not Afraid by Charley Crockett. It's a very simple song. You don't need a capo, no capo, but you do need to learn some bar chords. So try to learn those. If you haven't learned them yet, try to learn it. Bar chords are very essential to guitar. So I'm getting all this information from the Tuesday Morning Blend video that he did a few years back. So that's where I'm getting all my information from. The chords you're going to be needing are A major, B minor, C sharp minor, and D major. So, the strumming pattern throughout the entire song is the same as most songs, down, down, up, down, up. So it'll sound like... Very simple. We're going to start off with the A major. And then you're going to switch up into B minor. And then back to the A major. And that's the entirety of every verse of the whole song. The first verse sounds like this. And darling, I am not afraid to love you. I am not afraid. And sugar, honey pie ain't gonna hurt you or let you down. On to the chorus. So once you start the chorus, you're going to go into this C sharp minor. And then you're going to go up to the D major, back to the C sharp minor, B minor, A major. So let me slow that down. You're going to start off with the C sharp minor. You're going to go up to the D major, back down to the C sharp minor, B minor, A major. So here's how it sounds in the song. Oh, I know I've got to be stronger. And hey, look, girl, I will never do you wrong. And just like that, you've learned I Am Not Afraid by Charley Crockett. Here's a run through the first verse and the chorus. And darling, I am not afraid to love you. I am not afraid. And sugar, honey pie ain't gonna hurt you or let you down. Oh, I know I've got to be stronger. And hey, little girl, I will never do you wrong. Alright, so hopefully you were able to get it down for yourself. If you have any questions or if you want to give a request for a guitar tutorial in the future, drop it down in the comments and I'll make sure to check it out. I'm just now starting off this YouTube thing, so I don't really have that many videos to my channel, but hopefully with your help you can help me grow. So just make sure to like and subscribe and leave a comment if you have anything to say. So, say it.